let's go ahead and solve these two inequalities. We can go ahead and add 1 to the other side, and then divide by 2. We're dividing by a positive, so no big deal. The inequality sign stays the same. Happy, happy. Now for the second inequality, we're going to subtract 1, then multiply by -1. Because we're multiplying by a negative, here's where the inequality sign has to change. The other important thing that copies down from step to step is this important word and. So remember, this word and is kind of like the operator in between these two sets. It's like an addition or subtraction sign. So without the word and, we can't really do the problem at all. That'd be like saying, hey, can you do this arithmetic problem for me? 2, 3. Well, it kind of matters for your answer whether it's 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 times 3, or 2 divided by 3. It really matters. And the same thing goes for this word and, because we're going to look at the word or in a minute. The word and is really important to keep there because that's going to change your answer. If this were an and versus an or, your answer will be different. So let's go ahead and finish solving this problem now. So we're going to go ahead and call the x's greater than 3 our blue. We're going to call the x's greater than 6 our red. And we're going to go ahead and draw a number line. So we got ourselves a number line. We're going to label the two important points, 3 and 6, in the correct order. And then above the number line, we're going to do x is greater than 3. So that's an open circle at 3, and we'd be shading everything to the right. Again, this is done above the number line because it's our scrap work. X is greater than 6. Above the number line, it's our scrap work. So now again, we have broke the number line up into 3 chunks. Left, middle, right. Over here on the left, my problem is asking for blue and red. Do I have blue and red? No, I do not. I don't shade it. How about in the middle? Do I have blue and red in the middle? No, I do not. I only have blue. How about on the right? Do I have blue and red on the right? Absolutely. So because I do, I'm going to shade over here on the right. Now, red had an open circle, so I don't have both blue and red at 6 itself. So my final answer is from 6 to infinity. I'm not including 6, so I use a parenthesis. I never include infinity, so I also use a parenthesis. And that's my final interval notation answer for this compound inequality.